So it's been a while since we've had a crazy runner in DGLT up 435%. It just got halted pending investigation. What is going to happen now? Stay tuned. So DGLT, this morning we actually were looking at it in the live stream. A couple people talking about this. You can see this morning it jumped up from 20 cents up there to $1.08 now. What in the world is going on? It's up 435%. 16 million shares traded. Talk about an insane pump and dump. What is going on here? There's a lot of rumor stuff circulating going on right now. People trading this. And you can see it jumped up from that 20-cent area up there to 60 cents, 63 cents, pulled back, found some support there, the 50-cent area, moved across for a while, and then started to peak up. Once it got back above that 63 high, it just started running and running and running there up to $1.08. 430% move here. If you would have bought this morning at 20 cents, if you were some kind of crazy person that thought that this was a good buy and you bought it there at 20 cents and somehow you sold it there at $1, I want to shake your hand because you are a remarkable person. You got very lucky on that trade. But right now what's happening is it actually got halted. If you look on the Nasdaq website, it says halted pending investigation, and that is never a good thing. So what can happen here is this stock could possibly just never reopen, just like WINS did. WINS did the same thing. It ran up huge, got halted, and then got delisted. So I don't know what's going on here. I don't know the full story. We won't really know what's going on until we hear more information about the investigation, or who knows. It could go on for a couple days. It could go on for weeks, months. We really won't know here. So that's one of the reasons I always stress the idea of taking profit fast. Really something like this is a crazy, crazy mover. It's up 400%. Something weird is going on. Something crazy is going on. Really, you got to take profit when you got it. I traded this one. I got in there at the 76 area. Ended up taking profit there at the 93-cent area. It ran up to $1.08 from there. I was like, wow, I should have held this one a little bit longer, but then boom, got halted. I'm like, well, now I remember why I trade these ones fast, why I don't force these kind of trades. DGLT, terrible. Really just, not good. If you would have bought this in this area, if you were holding into this, I saw a couple people that said they had 10,000 shares of this, $10,000 worth. Who knows what's going to happen now? This thing could never reopen. It could just delisted, crash down. It's really hard to say. I feel bad for anybody who's holding this right now, and I always tell you guys, take profit when you got it fast. So let's say this opens back up, and some reason it opens up 50 cents. It could literally just crash instantly to 50 cents, and everybody who bought it $1 is now screwed. I know a lot of people out there who are wondering, they're watching, they're like, what am I going to do? What's a T12 halt? What's going to happen? Really, it's hard to say. This could reopen today. It could reopen tomorrow. It could reopen in a month from now. You really have no idea what's going to happen to the stock. And I feel really bad for the people who don't know about this kind of setup, who don't understand that when these stocks run up this big, when there's something weird is going on, it's a crap company. It's a total pump and dump penny stock company. I feel bad. But this is how it happens. You got to be ready. You got to be prepared. You got to understand these things in the market when you're day trading, and never get too greedy, because this is a pure greed play here. If you would have bought this one and held it through this dollar move, didn't take profit, and then boom, now you're halted, and you don't know what's going to happen with your money, because really it's up to the Nasdaq now to figure out what's going to happen with the investigation and then reopen it at some point, or maybe delist it. Hopefully you guys took profit fast. Like I always say, bears and bulls make money in the market, but pigs get slaughtered. Don't be a pig.